Recording in progress.
Hello and welcome to the chicken life cycle. So first of all, chickens are the most common birds on earth. Chickens live in groups and they are called flocks. There are around about 60 different types of breeds of chicken. And chickens eat worms, insects, seeds, grains, fruits, vegetables, and lots more. So let's have a look at this life cycle, starting off with option 1. So what happens during the first stage of the chicken life cycle? Well, it's the stage of the egg. So the hen lays an egg. Chicken eggs can be brown, white, blue, bluish green, and pink in color. Only if the egg is fertilized by a cockerel, which is like the male chicken, can it become a chick. The hen keeps the eggs warm by sitting on them because the eggs have to stay warm for them to actually hatch. Let's go on to cycle number 2. So what happens during the second stage of the chicken cycle? Chicken life cycle, where it's all about the chick. So baby chickens are called chicks, and the chick hatches from an egg. It pecks a hole in the shell with its egg tooth, and then it comes out of the egg eventually. They are covered with tiny, soft, fluffy feathers, and these are called down feathers to keep them nice and warm when they're born. So cycle number 3, what happens during the third stage of the chicken life cycle? Well, it's all about the hen or the cockerel. So the hen is the female chicken and cockerel is what we call the male chicken. So the chick grows up and changes over time into a chicken. Chickens can live between 10 to 15 years. Chickens are raised for their meat and their eggs. Female chickens are called hens and male chickens are called cockerels. Cockerels are bigger and more colorful than the hens. They do a little dance to impress the hens. Hens can lay around about 300 eggs every single year. Okay, so that's the life cycle about when the chickens are born, from the stage of an egg to a chick to when they grow up and become a hen, a female, or a cockerel male. So you've got some questions based on this particular English comprehension task. Good luck with this. Read this one more time and try your best, and we'll follow this up in our next class. Thank you so much.